If PowerPoint is showing error 0x0, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get PowerPoint working again fast. We'll start with the quickest solution, then move into a few more effective troubleshooting steps that can resolve permission issues, startup problems, and add-in conflicts. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Let's get into it. First, restart your PC. This might sound basic, but a quick restart can clear temporary system glitches that are causing PowerPoint to throw the 0x0 error. Click the Start menu, select Restart, and let your computer fully reboot. Once it's back on, open Microsoft PowerPoint again and check if the issue is gone. If the error still appears, the next step is to run PowerPoint as an administrator. Sometimes PowerPoint needs elevated permissions to open properly, especially if something on your system is blocking access. Close PowerPoint completely, then right-click the PowerPoint icon and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for confirmation, click Yes. After that, try opening your file again and see if the error has been fixed. If that does not work, the next thing to try is Safe Mode. Safe Mode helps you launch PowerPoint with the minimum required features, which is very useful for identifying whether the problem is caused by startup settings or an add-in. To do this, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the run box. Type powerpient/safe, then press Enter. PowerPoint should open in safe mode. From there, try opening your presentation and see if it loads correctly. If it does, that usually means one of your add-ins or startup components is causing the error. Now let's move on to disabling add-ins, which is one of the most common fixes for PowerPoint error 0x0. Open PowerPoint normally, then go to File, then Options, and then Add-ins. At the bottom of the window, look for the drop-down that says COM Add-ins, then click Go. You'll see a list of installed add-ins. Uncheck all of them for now, then click OK. After that, restart PowerPoint and test it again. If the error disappears, one of those add-ins was likely the cause. You can turn them back on one at a time later to find out which one created the conflict. If you're still having trouble, make sure PowerPoint and Windows are both fully updated, because missing updates can sometimes trigger unexpected errors too. Also, if the problem only happens with one specific presentation, the file itself may be damaged, so try opening a different PowerPoint file to compare. That can help you figure out whether the issue is with the app or with the document. So to quickly recap, restart your PC, run PowerPoint as administrator, try safe mode, and disable any problematic add-ins. Those steps solve the PowerPoint error 0x0 in many cases without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.